With Fergus, you now have even more ways to customize your invoices, helping you create professional-looking documents while cutting down on admin time. Plus, with templates, you won't have to redo the same changes over and over. In this video, we'll go over the customization options, how to set up templates, and how to apply them to your invoices. The Invoice Builder gives you control over how your invoices look. Adjust the font size, colour, and style to match your branding. Add clickable links to key resources like your website, for example. And insert images such as extra logos in the footer. Instead of manually updating every invoice, save time by creating templates. Head to Settings, Invoice Templates. Here, you'll find a list of any templates you've already created. Click New Template in the top right corner and give it a clear name so you can easily find it later on. Want to match your brand? You can tweak the look of your invoice in the Styling tab. Change the main colour, which appears in the header and footer bars. Then, choose the accent colour. This controls the background behind your company details. You can also adjust the text colour, font size, and document orientation to get everything looking just right. Now, let's fine-tune the invoice content by heading to the Content tab. You can rename the document title, change how sections are formatted, and update the default description and footer to fit your needs. A real-time preview on the right lets you see exactly how your template will look as you make changes. Once your templates are created, you can manage them easily. On the Templates page, click the three dots next to any template to duplicate it, set it as the default so every new invoice uses it automatically, and archive or unarchive templates as needed. Now that your template is saved, here's how to apply it. First, open a draft invoice. Click the ellipses button in the top right corner and select Apply Template. A drop-down will appear. Scroll through or use the search bar to find your template. Select your template and click Apply Template. And a quick note, applying a new template will override the current template's settings, including the document description and footer. However, it won't change any sections or line items you've already added. Click Yes, Apply to proceed. And there you have it. Now you know how to customize and apply templates to your invoices in Fergus. With these tools, you'll streamline your invoicing process while keeping your documents looking sharp.